Welcome to Trading Hub, the ultimate destination for traders who want to stay ahead in the fast-paced world of finance. Whether you're new to trading or an experienced investor, our channel is designed to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and strategies you need to succeed. Here, we break down complex market analysis into easy-to-understand insights, cover the latest trends in stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, and give you practical, actionable tips for making smarter trades. We focus on providing a mix of technical analysis, risk management strategies, and trading psychology tips that will help you refine your trading approach and make informed decisions. At Trading Hub, we believe in education over speculation. Our content is built to empower you with the right strategies, not just the latest market hype. We cover everything from creating a solid trading plan to understanding key technical indicators, setting stop losses, and managing your portfolio for long-term growth. So, whether you're here to learn how to trade for the first time, looking for a deep dive into market patterns, or searching for the latest updates on your favorite assets, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and join our growing community of traders. We're committed to helping you become a more confident, informed, and successful trader. Let's unlock the potential of the markets together.